everybody, welcome to A Joyful Artist. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix a spray painting mistake using only a paintbrush. When you tape your item, with a multicolored item like this, and you tape your item, sometimes your spray paint will get underneath the tape and make a mess like this one right there. So what you want to do to fix it is you need a sandwich bag, you need your paint, you need your item, and you need a paintbrush. So what you're going to do is take your spray paint, take a plastic bag and your spray paint, spray a little bit in the bag, and then take your paintbrush and fix your item. And this is how it's done. Well, that's how easy that fix is, or that tip is. Well, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and let me know in the comments down below how you fix your mistakes. Thank you.